Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sugar. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. Please come in, you're highly welcome. Take the front seat, hit the subscribe button below to be a part of this channel. On this channel I talk about everything personal growth, faith, lifestyle, health tips, relationship tips, money making tips, and all that you will need to lead a balanced life and to fulfill purpose and destiny. So you have every reason to subscribe to this channel, guys. Support me. If you like my face, if you like my smile, please hit the subscribe button. But if this is not your first time, hey, I like that you got me and you know that I got you. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos every single time, guys. I'm so grateful. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always leaving your comments in the comment section. Thank you for sharing my videos to your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Twitter, your Facebook. Chop this kiss. You guys are the bomb. As you can see from the title of today's video, guys, it is money making time, and I'm going to be sharing with you online businesses that you can do that will make you money and will make you good money in the short term or in the long term. If this is something that you'll be interested in, then definitely stay watching. So the first business that you can do online is online coaching. Now, if you have a skill, something you're good at, something you know how to do, and you need to make money from it. In fact, even if you don't want to make money from it, I'm telling you now that you have to go and make money from it. So you need to do online coaching. You learned that thing. Even if it came naturally to you, there are people, thousands of people, millions of people who want to learn how to do those things as well. You can offer to teach them for a certain fee, and in fact that is what is trending right now on social media. You see people teaching people how to make videos, how to edit, how to style outfits. It is not limited to anything. If what you know how to do is how to eat akara, there are people who don't know how to eat akara. There are people who want to learn how to eat amala. Teach them how to do it. Teach people any skill that you know you are good at the whatever level you are good at that thing. Teach people how to do it. Get your money, and people are making millions out of it. You can make your millions. The way you can make money online is by writing. And when I say writing, freelance writing, there are so many sites, there are so many organizations, international organizations here in Nigeria, organizations in the country where you're watching from, that offer people money to write for them. Most of the times, organizations always have people like PR, bloggers, who are like ghost writers. You might not know their identity, but they are the ones writing all those stories, all those blogs for those organizations. There are so many websites that can help you with freelancing. Go online, Google freelancing website, and you're good to go. And they pay you per page or per hour or per word for every of the article or write-ups that you get for them. Another way you can make money online is by opening an e-commerce store online. Of course, we know that so many people now shop online. I mean, if people were not shopping online, Jumia would have closed down, Konga would have probably closed down, Amazon would have probably closed down. So many sites, especially as an affiliate, you register as an affiliate in another website or with an organization, you can open an e-commerce store where people can click directly to get your product or services. It's very easy to do, and there are free e-commerce sites that you can open via WordPress. All you need to do is to get a developer or a blogger or someone who understands this thing to do them for you. And if you know how to do this thing yourself, then by all means go ahead and open an e-commerce store and start selling products and services on that store. Gigi is doing it. You're going to get a lot of people to patronize you, and better way, you can get other vendors or people who sell or offer other products and services to advertise or to put up their product on your e-commerce store, and you make a certain commission from it anytime they make sales from your store. Another way that you can make money online is by offering to be a virtual assistant. Now, who is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is someone who helps another business or another organization to manage their businesses administratively on social media. So you can be a social media manager or a marketing manager or a PR person to a company. You're a virtual assistant. You can be a customer care rep to an organization, and these are remote jobs that you can do from basically practically anywhere that you are, in your toilet, in another country, in another state. You can be anywhere and do these businesses, and you are sure that you're going to be making cool money into your bank account. The last online business that you can do that I'm going to be sharing with you is graphic designs. If you know how to do designs with CorelDRAW or any other graphics software, or even the nice automated ones we have now like Canva, then by all means go into graphic design logos. So many companies, so many individuals are beginning personal brands. Many brands and companies are trying to upgrade their brands to have a brand identity, a brand personality. So they want logos, they want graphic designs, they want customized templates for their businesses, for their social media pages, for their organizations, and you can offer them that service if you can do it, if you know how to do it, for a certain stipulated fee. Charge them, give them your charges, and let them start paying you for what you know how to do. I mean, you can't know how to do these things and then you are not making money from them. So these are some of the online businesses that you can start, and you can start them with very little capital, and you can start them with high capital depending on your budget or what you have at hand. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. I hope that this video is going to help you make a decision. Which of these businesses do you think that you would like to go into? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video again till the end. Till I come here next time in my next video, catch up on all of my other videos. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and I will see you in my very next video.